Third, I think we have Hormaz as well that's joining in to run us through some of those shareholder lock-ins that actually open up. Lenskart, Pine Labs, Groww, Urban Company, that comes to an end. Hormaz, tell us, which are these companies that we should be keeping on our radar?
Morning, Nigel. Most of those much talked about IPOs, right, from last month, they should be on your radar this week because their lock-ins come to an end. We'll start off with the ones that end today. First up being Lenskart and Pine Labs. So for Pine Labs, of course, we have close to around 19.8 million shares freeing up today, 2% outstanding, value of close to 500 crore rupees. Then the stock is around about 15% higher from its IPO price. That lock-in ends today. For Lenskart, it's again 2% equity, but around 40.7 million shares that will be freeing up for trade today. 1700 crore rupees is the value here. The stock has remained above its IPO price despite a lot of chatter with regards to its valuations. Now, when you go on further, Groww as well, that lock-in there ends on Wednesday. The value of those shares is well over 2200 crore rupees, almost 150 million shares or 2% outstanding frees up for trade here. And the stock, despite having this recent correction, is up around 50% from its IPO price. And Pine Labs, again, there are two instances when the lock-in ends. Again, on Thursday, actually on Friday, where around 39.7 million shares will free up for trade, 3% outstanding. The value here is close to 1,000 crore rupees this time around. So keep an eye out on Pine Labs today as well as on Friday. And on next Monday, we'll have Urban Company, where the 3-month lock-in comes to an end, where close to around 41.5 million shares, 3% outstanding. The value of those shares is well over 500 crore rupees. So that will free up for trade next Monday. But the bigger talking point, of course, is that the way the shares moved, particularly Urban Company and Groww, those shares are now significantly off those post-listing highs. Groww is down around 23% from those levels. And Urban Company, which made a post-listing high of well over 200 rupees, is now down almost 40% from those levels.
Thank you very much for that.